Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the source clip. Find the TikTok or external video that has the sound you want. Tap Share and choose Save Sound when available, or download the video if the platform permits. This gives you a local file to work with. Once done, move that file to an easy-to-find folder or your phone's Files app so you don't lose it. Make sure the clip is short and clean. Longer audio will need trimming to fit TikTok's limits. Next, you prepare the audio so it fits TikTok's format. Open a simple editor like CapCut or your phone's trimming tool and cut the clip to the exact seconds you need. Shorter is better for hooks. Export as MP3 or M4A, then open TikTok, tap the plus, upload, and select your video. Once the video is in, tap Add Sound, right arrow your sounds, or Extract to attach the trimmed file. This ensures sync and keeps volume levels. Finally, you sync and polish. Adjust the audio volume, align beats with key actions, and preview the loop to confirm it feels right. Then add captions, hashtags, and either save as draft to recheck or publish. If TikTok mutes your sound, don't panic. Try re-exporting with a different codec, shorten the clip, or use slight pitch shift so automated filters won't flag it. If problems persist, use an original voiceover layer to preserve your intended vibe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.